Hello, hello to everyone. In today's video, I will tell you and I will show you how to activate the promo code and get the maximum bonus up to $500. First of all, for this we need to download the application from the official site. I will leave the link in the description. Second one, go to the application. If you have an account, then log out of it. After that, you need to go the application and tap registration. In this menu I will choose in one click. You can choose anything else. What do you like? In this menu you need to choose your current country is United States. Current value to US dollar, and select your bonus, sport or casino. I will choose sports. You can choose anything else, and enter the current promo code is ZAMS24. Next, confirm this and tap there. I will also clarify that any promotional code gives a deposit bonus only once, guys. Be careful and remember this. After loading, we will see our login and password, write it down and automatically get into the menu. Tap next. Next step, account deposits, and in order to receive a bonus, you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. Balance is replenished almost instantly. If you have any questions, then add them in the comments. I will definitely answer them. Goodbye and good luck to all, guys. Have fun.